What's up, class? This is ITL 520 week 1 post. I'm looking at the prompt right now. It says those literacy skill. Okay, to put some, how will you teach blank by utilizing blank? For example, if I was an 8th grade science teacher, I might ask myself how I would teach students about the fossil record. Okay, so my content area is physical education. So how will I teach a bounce pass in basketball using speaking skills? And for me, if I grouped 2 students and had them chest pass a basketball to each other, they would literally have to critically think about the action that they're producing. So they have to think about the function of the elbow. They have to think about the extension of the elbow, how the wrists work at the end of the basketball pass. So actually thinking critically about those skills and the function of the body parts will help them be able to repeat that action in a athletic setting. There were some good ones when I watched the videos. The middle school science teacher was talking about the 5% of the language in a passage, the words that we the vocabulary that we don't understand. It's so important to understand that, because you'll understand the concept of what's being talked about better. For instance, when I took the CSET in physical education, I didn't know vocabulary like locomotor skills or non-locomotor skills. But actually, after that, when I figured out what those were, it was much easier for me to understand movement and movement skills. So like I said, once I understood that locomotion was just basic movement, walking, running, jogging, and that non-locomotor movement was bending, twisting, turning, that content was a lot easier for me to understand. I like the word bank or the word wall example. That's a good way to expand your vocabulary skills so you can understand the context of where the information's coming from. So I think all those things are beneficial when thinking about being content literate.